All right, let's do a little walk around on this one. 1972 Chevrolet Malibu Super Sport or Chevelle SS. Nice looking two-door hardtop. Now, you hear all the stories, of course, of the gentleman that says, "Gal, I had one like that, brand new. Should have hung on to it. Should have kept it. Gal, I wish I would have had that first car that I bought." The person that bought this car brand new is the only owner up till this point. This is a one-owner car. Original miles, a little over 74,000 on it. He has freshened it up along the way, but he also hung on to all the documentation. Build sheet is with this car, protecto plate, owner's manual, any of the stuff that goes with the warranty and owner's manual is with this. So a lot of documentation on this car also. There's a pre-delivery inspection from the dealer. There's actually a dealer copy order sheet with all the options. So again, well-documented car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you'll be able to see the data tag. You're going to see that this is a numbers matching engine in this car. You're going to see all the documentation pictured up. Check out the still pictures. You can see the underside, engine bay, interior. Still pictures are at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. We are in contact with the original owner on this and can answer any questions you may have. Now, when I say he's refreshing this up along the way, he did do a repaint on this, kept it the original Sequoia green color with black vinyl top. Vinyl top was redone. Engine was rebuilt at that time, and this is approximately in 2003 to 2004. The interior, as far as the front seats, armrests, and the headliner were redone as far as the interior. Other than that, kept extremely stock. Engine in this, numbers matching. TH400, which would be a 402, or I shouldn't say TH400, sorry, not talking transmissions. Turbojet 400, which would be a 402 240 horse engine. And again, that is numbers matching. You can see the stamping on it. You can check out the suffix code, which is CTA, which again is a 402 240 horse turbojet 400 with a 4-speed. So all that jives and is correct. And again, you can see that on the build sheet. You can see it on the dealer pre-order sheet or copy of the order sheet. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, if you're in the continental United States, we can assist you with transportation, and this may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This car was not quartered when it was repainted. He wanted to pass that along. Check out the trunk, see how nicely that is finished off. Spare tire is back there. Any of the paperwork they took out from the bottom side of the trunk that would have like your jacking instructions, that type of stuff, that is also in the owner's manual. Owner's manual is in a manila envelope that goes along with the car. You can see how straight this thing is too. Paint is nice on it. Riding on the rally style wheels, BF Goodrich radials. All right. This was a Kansas City built car also, and again, black leather, or excuse me, black vinyl interior was original, 704, and of course the Sequoia green number 48 paint code, all original. There's your SS dash, and we're going to go ahead and start this up. I want you to hear it. Let you check underneath the hood. SS door panels, according to previous owner, original. Rear seats original. So the warning chime, definitely original and working. See how easily that starts. Fasten seatbelt light still works. Did notice that the 8-track player was in op. Blower fan works fine. Wipers work good. See the tack over here. Great exhaust. Fuel gauge works. I did notice the clock was the other thing that was not working. Alright, let's make sure we're neutral. Sorry about the steering wheel shot there. Dash and everything, good shape. Look how nice this door closes. Listen to this. Again, Turbojet 400 or 402 underneath the hood, and that is a numbers matching original engine. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to pop this hood and let you check out how it looks underneath there. Plus, there's that SS cowl hood it should have came with. Hold on, let's get the hood popped. Alright, here we go. Original engine. And as you can see, power steering, power brake car also. And again, he had the engine gone through back in the mid-2000s when the car was repainted. And the top was done on it, as well as some interior work. Nice and tidy underneath here. Actually see the reflection off the engine at the bottom of the hood. So there you go, very original documented car. Numbers matching engine, 1972. True Chevelle SS. Original color, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you there. Sorry about the alarm going off in the background. Remember, we do consider trades. We can sure assist you with getting this car transported. Financing is available, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.